Hello everyone, welcome to Link Frequency and I'm Aishwarya Pattab. This video is part of our new series which mainly focuses on AutoSAR interview questions. Each part includes 3 AutoSAR questions along with the answer, which significantly enhances your preparations for the upcoming interviews. So without any further delay, let's begin with part 26 of AutoSAR interview questions. Well, we are back to screen mode where you can see AutoSAR interview questions part 26 along with the 3 questions represented on the screen. Without any further delay, let's begin with our first question, which indicates, can security access procedures be performed in default session? Well, the answer to this particular question goes in the following way. Security access procedures such as those required for the security access services, which is nothing but service 27, are not performed in the default session. They are typically performed in more privileged sessions like the extended or programming session. So this was all about our first question. Well, moving on to our second question, which indicates, can the default session be used for ECU reprogramming? Well, the answer to this particular question is no. The default session cannot be used for ECU reprogramming. Reprogramming requires the ECU to be in the programming session, which allows access to services needed for downloading and uploading software. So this was all about our second question. Moving on to our third question, which indicates, explain the role of P2 and P2 start timer in context of default session. The P2 timer defines the maximum response time allowed for the ECU to process a diagnostic request in the default session. Whereas on the other hand, the P2 start timer is used for extended session and other specific cases. Proper configuration of these timers ensure timely responses and reliable communication. Well, this was all about our third question. If you want to know more about AutoSAR related topics, then you can surely check out our AutoSAR playlist on Linked Frequency. Well, this was part 26 video of AutoSAR interview question series. I hope you found the video insightful. For any queries, you can surely comment below in the comment section. Until we meet on our next video, happy learning. Tune yourself to make a difference.